Welcome back programmers. In the today's section we are gonna talk about OpenCV and we are gonna see how to read and see the images and videos, and we are gonna open the webcam too. So this video is gonna be very exciting. So let's begin. And this video is for beginners. If you are beginners and if you wanna learn OpenCV from scratch, so this video is gonna help you. And if you missed all NumPy series, link is in the description. Check out OpenCV series and NumPy series before learning OpenCV. Link is in the description, and all of this code is gonna available in my all-in-one code .pythonanyway.com site. So let's begin. I am using PyCharm. You can use any ID you want. And in my folder you can see I got lena.png and video.mp4. These two, image and video, you can use any image and video you want, but I am gonna use this Lena, very popular for testing images, lena.png, and I'm gonna use this video which is the road video. So let's begin. First we are gonna open the image. So obviously you have to import the CV2. So I just imported the CV2, and now I'm gonna create the variable img equal to cv2.imread, and you can see the first parameter is file name, or you can say path. So I'm gonna pass this lena.png path in here. Okay, and then I'm gonna print the array of this image. So let's first print the img.shape. So you see the shape of this lena.png. Now this is the color image, so we are gonna get the three shapes. You can see 512, 512 and 3. If this is the black and white image, so we are gonna get the only two shapes. Now let's print the image only. You can see this is the array of our image, and all of this number is represent the single color of our images. So now let's display this image, and for that we are going to use the cv2.imShow method. And in the imShow, the first parameter is Windows name and the second one is image. So let's add Windows 1. In which window you want to open this image, so let's pass Windows 1. You can name it anything, and then I'm gonna pass the img, which is our image. Now whenever I run this program, you can see our image is open, but for 0.01 millisecond. We have to hold our image. So let's try. We are going to use cv2.wait key, and in the wait key you have to pass the second of millisecond, and if you wanna open your image in infinity time, so just pass 0, and if you wanna just open for 5 seconds, so just add 5000, because in here you have to add the millisecond. If you add only 1, so this is the 1 millisecond, and if you add the 0, so 0 means infinite. So now let's try. You can see this is our image, and that's how you can display the image. Now if I pass the 5000 in here, so our image is gonna just hold for 5 seconds. It hold for 5 seconds. So now let's remove this. Now you know how to display the image. Now let's see how to display the video. So same technique, I'm gonna use the cap equal, but in here I'm gonna use the cv2.video capture. In here V is the capital. Now if you wanna open the webcam, so just pass the 0. 0 is the default camera for laptop. If you are using laptop, if you are using Raspberry Pi, and if you have only one camera, so this is the default camera. But if we change this into the path, so let's add the path video.mp4. So we are gonna get the video. But tell me, what is the video? Video is the frame by frame images. So first we have to store the images, and then we can display images like this in infinite loop. Now we have to use the loop for our frame by frame images. So this is my path of video. Now we are gonna take a loop to display all of these or images of videos. So we are gonna take the infinite loop, which is while true. Now we are gonna use the cap.read. Now cap.read return the two data. So the first one is the success, and the second one is image, img. We just unpack the success and img. So img is our image from video, and success is if we any got error or something, so it is gonna tell us. So the success is the boolean variable, true or false, if you know what is boolean. So just use the img. Success is not important for now. Now same thing we are gonna go do in here. we are going to use the img as the im show. So let's try cv2.im show, and we are going to pass the img, but first parameter is again Windows name, which is, let's add the videos. Okay, now we have to stop the video because this is the while true, it is gonna run video for forever. So let's stop the video. Again we are gonna use this wait key. If cv2.wait key equal to ord, we are gonna take the input from user. If user pressed Q, video is gonna be stopped. Okay, so let's try break in here. Now let's run this code. You can see the video is successfully running, and you can see the video, and the Windows name is video in here. So that's how you can display the video using OpenCV, and whenever I click the Q, you can see video is stopped. Let's try again. You can see video is running. Whenever I click on the Q, video is stopped. Now you can add any keyboard key in here, but I just use the Q for quit, and that's how you can display the video using OpenCV. Now let's see how to display the web camera using OpenCV. Now let's try. We're gonna do same thing in here, but in here we are gonna just pass. We are gonna first remove this path and just add 0. If we add 0, it is gonna take a default camera in your, if you are using laptop, if you are using Raspberry Pi, if you are using computer, if you got any camera in your device, it is gonna take a default camera. Okay, and all the stuff is same in here, but this time it is gonna capture the web camera. Let's try. And I'm live streaming from my live webcam, so that's how we can open the webcam using the OpenCV Python, and when I click on the Q, it is automatically gonna stop. So that's how you can open the image, video and webcam using the OpenCV. So that is it for today's guys. In the next video we're gonna do some operation using the images. So if you like this video, just like this, share this video to other programmers, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.